little stir fries and some chicken on the Blackstone tonight here at Lake Murray State Park. It's gonna be good. We got a little what?
Kale from Laurie's garden.
Kale. We've got some peppers, snap peas, some asparagus. Looking good.
Radishes.
And radishes.
Leaves are huge.
We're going to do a little geocaching today. As you can tell, there is a app for it. Uses GPS satellite, and you see the little blue dot, that's where we are, and the little green one is where we're going to go try to find. So we're going to just start walking and it'll start picking up where we're at, and hopefully it'll take us right to it. Yeah, this is the geocaching, and what you do is you look on your phone and you track it to the location, and once you get there, what you do is you write your name on here and the date, and then you log it on the geo site, and it's pretty cool, very cool. So I'm gonna put it all back together. The pen doesn't write, so I can't get the pen to write. So I'm gonna put it all back together, and you put it back in, and then you go from there. We walked and walked and walked and finally found it is described as a bison pouch or container. We had no idea what it was. So it's a micro cache. So we looked it up on the internet and found out what it looked like. Here's what it looked like. A little small tube cylinder, and very little bit of room to write our name and the date on it, but anyway, it was interesting. Okay, we found the next one. Let's see what's in it. See if we can look in here. Well, Now I just need to, let me set this down. Hopefully the pin will write. Hopefully there's room to write. A lot of people have found this one. Wow, this pad is full. I don't know if this is going to work. Yep. So I just write my geocache name on here. Of course it's N.L. Burgess. Put the date. Of course the pen would quit writing. I'll use this pencil. If you're going to do this, one of the things that Ann and I have discovered, you need to bring pencils and you need to bring paper. So you can, let's see what all's in here. It's just a little bit of everything. People just put a little bit of everything in here. It's just a funny rock. This is just a crystal. There's a penny in here. I think we're going to contribute a just one bubble gum. We're going to put a bubble gum in there. And still thinking this pen would write, but I don't guess it is.
We have a pen.
Do you have one? Let me get this pen. Here it is.